Hey everyone, I'm here today to talk about something that's completely changing the game for content creators like you and me. Imagine turning a single keyword into hundreds, yes hundreds, of viral quiz videos. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not a dream anymore. Introducing the world's first and only AI viral video quiz builder that's set to revolutionize your online presence. You heard it right. This isn't just any tool. It's a powerhouse that transforms your ideas into engaging quiz videos that are perfect for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and beyond. Now, why quizzes? Here's the thing. Quiz videos have this unique charm. They engage, they challenge, and most importantly, they are incredibly shareable. The social platforms we love, they can't get enough of them. They push these videos organically, giving you that sweet viral potential. And the best part? You don't need any tech skills. And it doesn't matter how many subs or followers you have right now. This tool is designed to be user-friendly. You can create viral quizzes in minutes with what I like to call the 3E formula: engage, excite, and explode. Let's break it down a bit. You can choose from multiple choice or this or that quizzes, the two most popular types that viewers absolutely love. And guess what? The AI does all the heavy lifting. Just feed it your keyword and it crafts your quizzes tailored to engage your audience. Not feeling creative? No worries. Choose from one of the 9 preset categories or use a pre-made template from the huge library available. Want to make quizzes that are more challenging or simpler? Adjust the difficulty levels with just a click. And oh, the customization options are endless. Fonts, colors, backgrounds, logos, you name it, you can customize it. Making your quiz videos stand out has never been easier. Now, on to some technical magic. The AI storyboarding and video creation tool automatically drafts your video's flow. This means you're not just getting quizzes, you're getting a complete polished video ready to capture hearts and views. Don't speak the language of your audience? The auto-translate feature has got you covered, helping you reach viewers worldwide in their own language. And once you're done, exporting your video is just a click away, ready to be uploaded wherever you desire. To top it all off, add that perfect voiceover with just one click, making your videos more interactive and lively. And don't forget to pick a captivating music track from the selection to enhance your video's appeal. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to harness the power of AI and start creating quiz videos that might just be your ticket to viral success. Check out the link in the comments for more details and get ready to see those follower counts explode. Thanks for tuning in, and I can't wait to see what you all create. Remember, innovation is at your fingertips, and it's time to soar to new heights. Until next time, keep creating and keep inspiring.